So yeah, how was the journey from Kanchi to Akhanda from 2015 to 2021?
2015 to 21 has been a journey full of crazy roller coaster rides. I started with a bang with this amazing film called Kanche, lovely character Sita Devi, which won a lot of appreciation, lots of awards, National Award, Best Debut Award, Filmfare. So very exciting start to the journey, and then so many films after that. Little ups and downs in between, but I'm back here finally with Akhanda, with this blockbuster combination of Boyapati sir and Balakrishna sir. So very excited for the release tomorrow, and can't wait for the audience to see our film.
Yeah, so the first day of Kanche shoot and the first day of Akhanda shoot, how did you experience the day one of both the shoots day?
My first day of shoot of Kanche was with Varun and a big team. It was it was the introduction shot of the film, me meeting Varun for the first time, and I was actually meeting Varun for the first time on the sets. So it was a beautiful and a very exciting experience in Kanche. There were so many important characters in that film, which we shot with on the day one of shoot of Kanche. But in Akhanda, the first day of shoot was with Balakrishna sir alone, and I've met him a couple of times socially before, but shooting for a film is a different thing. So I was a little scared that I don't know how he will be, but he was very sweet and he made me comfortable, and we had a very smooth day of shoot.
Yeah, so first time Boyapati sir మీకు స్టోరీ నరేట్ చేసినప్పుడు వాట్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ మీ మైండ్లో రన్ అయినాయి, అరే ఇది నేను చేయగలుగుతానా లేదా, లేకపోతే క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు మీరు ఆ రోల్ తీసుకున్నారా?
I actually have worked with Boyapati sir once before in Jai Janki Nayaka. This is the second time I'm working with him. So when he called me for the movie meeting, I knew that I wanted to work with him again. He is one of the best directors that I have worked with. I know he's very good with these massy films. So definitely Boyapati sir and Balakrishna sir coming together for the third time was a lot of good buzz. It was this blockbuster combination and good vibes right from the beginning. So for me, even before taking the narration, it was a yes from my side that I'm like, okay, I think we're going to do this. So it wasn't too many things running in my mind. I was just happy and excited and grateful that I'm finally back to working, finally back to shoots with a big film, and that was all that I was doing and focusing on.
ఎస్ సో బోయపాటి సార్ ఫస్ట్ టైం మీరు బాలకృష్ణ సార్తో కోయాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు అని అనగానే వాట్స్ ద థింగ్, లైక్ ఎట్లా ఎక్సైట్ అయ్యారా, కొంచెం నర్వస్ అయ్యారా, భయపడ్డారా ఏంటి?
I was a little bit nervous the first day, and after meeting him in 2 minutes, he just made me so comfortable. He is just cracking jokes and laughing and joking all the time. So he's very young at heart, so it was really fun the first day of shoot, and all the nervousness and fear vanished.
ఎస్, సో బాలయ్య సార్తో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు ఆన్ సెట్లో అన్నప్పుడు లైక్ చాలా కో యాక్టర్స్కి కాస్త టెన్షన్, భయము, లేకపోతే లైక్ కొంచెం లైక్ అందరూ ఏమనుకుంటారు బయట అంటే బాలయ్య సార్ చాలా స్ట్రిక్ట్, చాలా కోపంగా ఉంటారు అని అంటారు. సో ఆఫ్ సెట్లో మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్పండి.
On set, off set, both. He's the sweetest person I've ever met. He's the nicest person. And all these rumors about anger and all is rubbish. He's a complete opposite of what you hear about him. So these stories are different from the person that I met. And throughout the shooting time, 11 months, I have not seen him angry or upset any day. Always happy, cracking jokes, being funny, singing shairi, singing songs, listening to songs. He's very jovial and very easygoing. So I did not see like the other side of him. So I was very comfortable and happy around him.
ఎస్, సో మరి బాలయ్య సార్ చాలా కూల్ అండ్ చాలా పర్సనలైజ్డ్గా కూడా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్గా కలిసిపోతారు అని చెప్తున్నారు ప్రజ్ఞ తన మాటల్లో. మరి ప్రజ్ఞ నుంచి మనం ఒక సీక్రెట్ తెలుసుకుందాము. ఎస్ ప్రజ్ఞ, జస్ట్ టెల్ us one secret about బాలయ్య సార్ which everyone don't know. And
one secret, it's not really a secret, it's just one thing that I really get inspired from. After doing more than 100 films, he is still so disciplined, so punctual. He wakes up every day at 3 o'clock. I'm not sure if that's a secret, but he wakes up every day at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock he works out, 5 o'clock he does his pujas and everything. So he's a very spiritual person, very hardworking person. and then he is on set every day early in the morning. By 6:30 he will be on set. So that is very inspiring for me, and that I think is the secret to his success. His discipline and his punctuality and his passion towards everything that he does. So that's the secret.
సో బాలయ్య సార్ సీక్రెట్ ఆఫ్ సక్సెస్ని అందరికీ వివరంగా చెప్పిన ప్రజ్ఞ. ఎస్ ప్రజ్ఞ, సో మరి డ్యాన్స్ మోడ్కి రాగానే ఆ మ్యూజిక్ ఇటు తమన్ గారు కానీ ఇటు బాలయ్య సార్ బోయపాటి సార్, సో వీళ్ళు ముగ్గురు మిక్స్ అయ్యి పాట స్టార్ట్ చేయగానే మీకు ఎట్లా అనిపించింది ద డ్యాన్స్ మోడ్లో?
Yeah, I actually love dancing. It's my first love. So I was very happy I got to do a dance number in this film. Already it is a very commercial film, but in the story there is not much scope for a lot of songs. So there's actually a dance number is a very big thing, and me to be dancing with Balakrishna sir in this blockbuster film VV3 Akhanda was a great opportunity. I enjoy dancing a lot, so for me this song was very exciting, and Balakrishna sir was so excited about the song that we had a blast shooting for the song. We really enjoyed.
Yes, Akhanda trailer says that it's a blockbuster of 2021, and we are saying goodbye 2021 with a blast hit with Akhanda.
Yes.
Yes. So, did you watch the movie after the editing and all?
No, Boypati sir does not show his movie. He's like, first day, first show, go watch in the theatre. So I'm waiting to watch it tomorrow.
Yes. So, when you saw the trailer, what was the reaction?
Goosebumps. It's a terrific trailer, outstanding, mind blowing, and Balakrishna sir in this Aghora character is just such a surprise because nobody has ever seen him like that, and no character like that is ever created in a film. So that transformation from one character to another is just magic.
Yeah. So, the trailer says that the story runs around you. Is that true or false?
It's true. The female characters in a Boypati sir's film are always strong female characters, and my character is the character which takes the story forward. So everything starts with me. I'm the driving force of the story, means my character. So you'll see more tomorrow when you go and watch the film. I hope you watch it soon.
Yes, I'm so excited. Like me, many, like lakhs of people are waiting to watch Akhanda on the first day, first show.
Yes.
Yes, and in the trailer, we see that almost all like the crispy situations which you were faced, and about your costume and everything, which we all observed. It's like Jay Janaki Nayaka Pragya is different and Akhanda Pragya is different.
Yes.
So what all the major differences?
Boypati sir wanted a complete transformation for me in the film. He's like, Pragya, this is a character that you've never played before, so you have to look like what you've never looked like before. So I don't want people to think this is the Pragya from Kanche or any other film before. It has to be a brand new image. So he did a lot of detailed research, and he was like very particular about hair and makeup and costume and walk and talk and mannerism. So he really wanted me to, look completely different, which is why the Pragya from Jay Janaki Nayaka is different from the Pragya here. But it's all hats off to Boypati sir that he could see me in this character, and we worked so hard to make this look convincing, and I hope it translates on screen and people love me in this character also.